guys, it's Mincy here, and I am about to do a quick little twist out on my hair. What you currently see is a sort of what we call a wash and go that has gone, needless to say. So I did it Thursday, and so that's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So it's 5 days, which is pretty good. And I went to the gym Monday, which is kind of what caused like this. I mean, this isn't bad. But for me, I just kind of want to refresh it, do something different. So I am going to do a twist out with this. I'm just going to gather some of the hair. I'm not going to fully wash my hair because I don't really have time for that. And I'm going to the barbershop on Friday, so I'd rather wait to do my whole situation then. But for now, I just want to do a quick twist. So I am going to use the magical Blueberry Bliss Curl Refresher Moisturizer. So I'll be using that as sort of a leave-in for myself. And I will be twisting with the Blueberry Bliss Coconut Milk, a part of the Triple Threat. And then once I'm done with that, I will be moisturizing my scalp with this handy dandy joint, the Blueberry Scalp Treatment. So 3 products, Triple Threat, as I just stated, I'm going to be using to do this twist out. I won't bore you with how to do a twist out. I'm sure you guys have seen that before. So once I'm done, I'll be back to show you the finished product. I'll sleep on it and wake up in the morning, shake it out, and we'll see what that gets me. So I'm gonna go run and twist my hair. I'll come back and show you what that looks like. We'll go from there. Yo. All right, as you can see, I am done. My hair is all twisted up. So you got twist all over. Nice big twist. This little piece I clearly forgot to twist, but it's whatever. So I'll let these sit overnight, and in the morning I will untwist it, and we'll see what results we get. Again, I use the Blueberry Bliss Triple Threat collection for this twist out, so we will see what results we get in the morning. There's still a little product still sitting on my hair because I used it a lot, but that will disappear overnight. It will absorb into my scalp, so provide extra moisture. So that's it. About to take a shower, and I will see you guys in the morning. Yo. Good morning, y'all. It is the next day, and my curls have pretty much dried, so I'm going to go ahead and take them down. But first, I'm going to go in with the Blueberry Bliss hair growth oil. Put it on my hands just to reduce the frizz when I take the twist out, and we'll go from there. Pretty simple process. Just put it on my hand. Rub it, especially on the fingertips. And then you will take the twist. Pretty much untwist them so opposite direction. And work your way down. And when you get impatient like me, you just tear them apart. And bam. So this kind of bounce and definition is basically what you're looking for. Alright. So yeah, so it did good. Smooth it out. Alright. The next one. Take it. Say untwist it. Like so. Pull it apart, and boom, there you go. All right, so I'm gonna do the rest of my head, and I'll be back. All right, so as you can see, I've taken down all the twists. It actually looks pretty good. So at this point, you just want to go in and kind of mess it up. I still have some oil on my hand, so they kind of go in from the root and shake it. This one also, missed one, the whole one. It happens all the time. All right. So this will help get rid of some of that oil on your hands when you go in and do that as well. So you see, I got pretty big hair right now. Handy dandy pick. Kind of go in from the middle. Let's stretch it a little bit. The root. Get rid of those little part lines in there as well. Alright. So as you can see, this hair is like huge. I found another one that I missed. There we go. Alright. Alright, so this is my look for the next few days. Check it out. Alright, so there you go. That's how we are going to rock it for the next few days. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have anything else you want to see, any other styles you want me to do, any products you want me to use, hit me up. I am down. But now it's time to get ready for work. So I'll let your boy.